Drunken Monkey again. Greg Cummins told me about it. I did it last night before I went to bed. Slept till 5:22. Couldn't believe it was 5:22. Thought it was like 2:30 in the morning. So you got to get all your muscles. Start doing the backstroke. This isn't the pure. They do like that kind of. But I do a modification. How's it going over there, Mary?
Fine.
Good. What time are we at?
29 seconds.
That's all?
That's plenty.
That's plenty. Okay. Over and out from the Drunken Monkey. Push it again.